This program is brought to you by the A.C. Gilbert Company, makers of American Flyer electric trains and the American Flyer stock car race.
Wow, look at that American Flyer train go. Uh-oh, looks like trouble for Susie's kitten. Can Johnny stop it in time? Why, of course, Susie. No need for worry when the train is dependable American Flyer. And American Flyer accessories are fun, too. Just look at this sawmill. Works like a real one. And talk about action, there's plenty of it with the oil drum loader that puts the barrels in the car automatically. And like this log loader, American Flyer accessories are remote controlled. Yes, for real fun, it's scale model American Flyer trains. Complete sets